What I want to talk to you about are my knots. Cousins, I got an update for you. Do you remember this wig right here? This Afro curly half wig. Baby, when I tell you this wig has had me in a chokehold for weeks upon weeks upon weeks, y'all. I'm slightly obsessed with this wig at this point. I'm not lying, y'all. I wear this wig at least probably 3 to 4 times a week. I'm telling you, this is where we started with the wig. Y'all, I have popped these curls one time and one time only. That's it. And I have been wearing her since. In fact, she was my family reunion wig. Baby, and we had a time, and she was doing the thing. Look at my mama right there, and my sisters, y'all. So I had to bring this back and revisit her because she's a baddie. When I tell you this will be the easiest, y'all get this wig, okay? First of all, once you go through the process of popping the curls, and you can go back and visit the first video that I did, and you can see her out the box and everything that I did to get her to this point, okay? Y'all, half the time I don't even put on the cap. I ain't lying. Sometimes I just really just plop it on my head, go on down there to the post office and get my stamps, y'all. That's it. That is all. I don't wear leave out. You can if you want to, like if your hair is longer and you want to, like, you know, do some updos and stuff, feel free, but I need you to know you do not have to, big baby. Now what I want to talk to you about is my knots. This is what I do to continue to, you know, this is like onion and garlic powder, okay? The wig is already, just say if you put salt and pepper on it, bam, it's already got something on there. Even you could throw you some Lowry's or some Tony's over there, okay? It's already got. But when you drop in that onion and garlic, it adds a special flavor to it. That's what these knots do for my curly wigs, y'all. I do this often, and I've never dedicated a video to it. Why? I don't know, actually, to be honest and frank with you. I have no idea. I just haven't. But today is the day. All that's about to change, big baby. I got what you need. It's going to give flavor to your wig, especially when you're just throwing it on because you have time. If all you have to do is throw that sucker on, you got a little 5 minutes to put you some jumbo knots in there. You do. And it takes it up another notch. It gives it texture. It gives it a different type of texture, y'all. Now, let me tell you this. First of all, now this wig is 24 inches. So if you like the length of mine, get 24 inches, okay? It's 180% density. It's already like that. It's already like that. This is legit. I wear this wig the most, probably out of all my wigs right now. I'm telling you. It's just too easy. It's too easy. It's too easy. It's too easy, y'all, okay? Now, as you can see, you know, after I wear it for a few weeks, then I'll go through and just refresh my knots. And like I showed you, I did a couple knots in the first video. They slide right out. So I'm not knotting them as in tangling knotting them. No, I'm wrapping knotting them. So I'm calling them knots, but they're actually little spiral wraps. They're not technically knots, okay? They just kind of look like little nodules or something. And you may be like, well, what is the purpose? But look at that. Look how that looks. It's just a very artistic way to flex your wig, y'all. And at the end of the day, if you're a wig bae, you are an artist. Don't get it twisted, okay? You already know what time it is. The things that we do with this hair, you know, come on. You're only bound by your own imagination. So even if someone else were to think this is whack, that's on them, okay? You have to flex your wigs the way you want to flex them. And here's one very easy way. And my knots are jumbo. So I'm just going through, just putting them in every once in a while. If I see some hair that's just kind of there, baby, just put a little spiral knot in there. And the more you shake, baby, the more she bakes. You hear me? If you want big, ignorant, beautiful, Afro kinky curly hair, in wig form, here you go. And the price is right, because this was 24 inches and this is human hair. Oh, I had to do my nails too, y'all. I had to do my nails because they were screaming to be done, okay? And I did it. Y'all, please check out this wig. I promise you, you're going to love it. You are going to love it. And drop down in the comments and tell me, girl, you was right. You was right. I cannot wait to hear your stories. All right? Peace, love, light.